Sorry, now I've got a nut stuck in my throat.
Hannah, it's your turn. I see gorgeous ingredients in front of me. What are we making?
I'm making my new favorite addiction, hazelnut and chocolate spread. We can start by roasting the hazelnuts. Add a little bit of salt. As they roast, the natural oils are going to come out of them. We're also going to be making homemade raspberry jam.
Nice.
3 ingredients. This on a bit of a high heat to begin off with. Cup of caster sugar. So there's no water or anything goes in it, but just like a nice little squeeze of lemon juice. Bring it to the boil so that the sugar dissolves.
Okay.
So these are nice and hot from the oven. So you got to get yourself, make sure you have a really good blender. It's like the key to success when you're making your own nut batters. As you can see, like now the natural oils are coming out.
I can see the difference with having the nuts warmed up. The oils are so much more.
One more for the cheap seats in the back. Okay. I like to add half a cup of the maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Yeah, it's
Oh
a really
my gosh,
beautiful
I
sweetness.
love-
2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It's a good time to do the toast because now our jam's cooling.
Okay.
So I am a massive fan of a little bit of a whole wheat
bread.
seeded. Nice to get the spoon in there and give it a bit of a swirl like that.
Oh, nice.
Oh. How's that tea looking? You can thank us later.